to the power of water and time.
Born in the Paleozoic era, the river carved sandstone and shale, shaping the falls we marvel at today. Boulders below, time's relics speak of ancient erosion and the river's ceaseless flow.
The falls' stones might have witnessed creation, forged at the dawn of time as Genesis foretells. Before settlers arrived, this place was sacred to indigenous peoples, a site of balance and renewal. They saw in his rushing waters a spiritual force, offering sustenance and meaning.
The moonbow glows under a full moon's light, a rainbow born amid day and night. One of the world's rare wonders, it graces Cumberland Falls, a dream for all to behold.
European settlers, led by Daniel Boone, braved the Cumberland Plateau, documenting this rugged land.
The falls, a barrier and resource, guided their journeys through untamed forests and canyons. Massive boulders, scattered giants, shape the river's path, ever-changing yet steadfast. Conservation preserves the park today, safeguarding forests wild and rivers sway. Cumberland Falls State Resort Park protects the timeless flow for generations to come. The sandstone capped rock stands resilient, the river's force carving layers below. Every drop, every stone tells a story of persistence and nature's power on display.
The stones bear silent witness, etched with the hand of time, shaped by ancient waters in rhythms so sublime.
From Genesis to geology, a story intertwined, creation's mark and nature's force, a balance well defined. Long before our footsteps traced this rugged land, the river's flow carved wonders with a steady hand. Through forest deep and canyons wide, its course was never stilled, a masterpiece of patience by creators will fulfill.